A very good evening to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to your science class. I hope you all are fine and following all the protocols and guidelines of COVID. So, in this situation, we need to be at home and study hard. This is Seema in front of you, and today I'm going to cover the exercise questions of this chapter, My Body. I hope you all enjoyed my earlier videos. So, children, watch this interesting video till end to know more all the exercise questions solution. Okay, so let's start. I have explained in the previous video the parts of the body. Okay, now this is the exercise questions. Okay, in class, first see this in class questions. So what is the question? Fill in the blanks. Each dash have 5 toes. So each foot, okay, the question it is from here only. Okay, so each foot, F-O-O-T, has 5 toes. Okay, fingers of leg, it is called toes, not finger, not thumb. Okay, toes. The next is the second fill in the blanks is the dash joins the head and the trunk. Okay, so this is answers. Neck, the neck joins the head and the trunk. Okay, now come to the next. Now start your exercise question, and in the first section what you have to do, tick the correct answers to fill in the blanks. The eyes and ears are the part of head or trunk. Obviously head contains all the face part. Okay, the second question is fingers are the part of hand or leg. So leg contains toes and hand contains finger. So what you will fill here? Hand. The third fill in the blanks is the dash joins the head and the trunk. Right now we have filled one in class question. In that neck was there. So what will be the correct option? Neck. The neck joins the head and the trunk. The fourth number fill in the blanks is you have dash limbs. How many limbs you have? 4 limbs. Okay, and these are in pairs, 2 in the front and 2 at the back. Okay, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. Means total number of limbs it is 4, and they are in pairs. Okay, now the next is the arms and legs together are called, so that is limbs. Okay, the arms and legs together are called limbs. Okay, what is limbs? Arms and legs together are called limbs. Okay, there is total 2 pairs of limbs, that is forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs and hind limbs. Okay, the next. Okay, now draw lines to connect the correct label to the picture. Okay, so do it. Hair, so that is hair. That ponytail you can see, that is hair. Head, this is head. Eye, so this is eye. Ear, so ear, that side one that helps to listen, that is ear. Nose, see this little one, it is called nose with 2 nostrils. Mouth, with the help of we can say something, we can speak, we can eat food. Okay, now the neck, that is dumb person, it is called neck. Okay, now come to the next section. What is it? Match the following. Okay, so match it. The first given the parts of the body name, and the B sections given its function. So what eye does? With the help of eyes we can see. Ears, with the help of ear we can hear. Okay, nose, with the help of nose we can smell things. Tongue, with the help of tongue we can taste yummy foods. And skin, with the help of skin we can feel coldness, hotness, softness, hardness. Okay, now this was all your exercise questions. Now come to the next higher order thinking skill questions. What you have to do here, look and answer. Do all these animals have limbs? Here it is turtle, a goose, here is one girl, cat, and what is it? I think it is duck. Yes, it is duck or ostrich. Ostrich it is. Now see, do all these animals have limbs? Yes, these all have limbs. How many of them have four limbs? These all have four limbs. Okay, these all have four limbs. Now you will say that, ma'am, that is a front flipper and back flipper, means they have four. Cat also front leg, back leg, four limbs and back limbs, so it is also four. This girl's, this also two hands and two legs, so this is she has also four limbs. This kangaroo, that is also, that has also four limbs too, that small hand, and that with the help of foot on that they is standing vertical, so that is has also, that have also four limbs. What about this bird? So yes, they're feather. Okay, they're feather. This is also limbs and the leg. Okay, this feather, it is called forelimbs, and the leg, it is called hind limbs. So this words also have limbs. So how many of them have four limbs? So total how many of them? So total here it is 1 2 3 4 5. Total 5 animals is there. Total 5 animals is there. So what you can say, how many of them have four limbs? So all these 5 animals have 4 limbs. Now how many limbs does the girl have? So girls have total 4 number of limbs, 2 hand and 2 leg. Now the next, do words have 4 limbs? Yes, words have also 4 limbs, their leg and their 2 feathers. Okay, feathers are called forelimbs and leg, it is called back limb, hind limbs. Okay, now this is the value based question. Okay, so good habit keep us healthy. Yes, so take what is right for you. Okay, what is right for you, what you are doing, that it is not asking what is right for you, that you should follow, that you are not doing. Okay, but that you should follow for your good health. So do you have a bath every day? Yes. Do you brush your teeth after dinner? Yes, really I do. Do you wash your hands before eating? Of course. Do you play outdoors every day? No, this I'm not doing, but I don't know about you. If you play, then it is good, it is not bad. Okay, outdoor games, yes, you should do, but in this corona time it is necessary to be at home. But normally it is a good exercise, so you should do. Now this activity zone, paste your photograph in the space given below. So if you have your photograph, so you can paste here the passport size photo and write your name over here. Already I think you know your spelling, spelling of your name, so write it. Okay, first letter only should be capital, the rest of all should be small. In title also the first name only should capital. Like if I am writing my name, so how I will write SEEMA, Seema. And for Kumari I will write K capital, KUMARI. Now you write whatever your name it is. Now the second question is, now fill in the blanks with correct words. I am girl. I don't know about you that what you are, so you write your. I have black hair. Now these days it is changing to brown. I have obviously 2 eyes. But Shivji has 3 eyes. I have eyes. My eyes, it is black. Okay. I have dash teeth. Count it and write it. Obviously count it. Okay. So dear, that now you can do by yourself. Okay. I think now it is over. Any more question? No. So now children, you can do this all questions with the help of this video. Okay, now take care of yourself and bye bye. Good night.